Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can make text appear and disappear over on TikTok. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your TikTok on your mobile. On the bottom bar, you can see that there are some other options available. Tap on this plus icon in the middle to add or upload a post. Then shoot a video of the length you want. After shooting a video, you will see various options on the right side of your screen. From here, just tap on the text icon beneath Edit. Now type the text you want to add and tap on Done. After that, select the text you just added and you will be able to see a number of options to choose from. Just tap on time duration and an editor will pop up. Now the left side is the starting end while the right side is the ending of the video. You can just drag the bar to set the duration to your liking and just tap on the tick mark. You can also add another text if you want. To add it, just simply tap on the text icon again and type in and click on Done. Then select the text and set the time duration like we did before. Set it to your liking. I'm going to set it like this way and you're done. That's how you can make text appear and disappear on TikTok. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.